know, if you need a hype person, I'm your girl.
Oh.
And I, talked to her a little bit, like, all right, so what you thinking? Like, what's the deal? She's like, oh yeah, I'm a gamer. I got content. I this. I twerk to whatever song you want me to twerk to. I'm looking at her like she got she got a nice amount of people liking her post. She got like over 1,000 followers, whatever.
Okay.
Thing that was sketchy to me is I'm like, all right, you know what? I'm gonna have you talk to my manager, and she like, that's fine, but like, why we gotta bring in a third party? We could just do it me and you. Okay, yeah, no, bye.
No, bro, you keep people around like that, man, because they're famous. They're not always looking for money. They're looking for access.
Well, she's talking about like $100 for like $100 per video.
Open your eye.
Yeah, that.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, yeah, it's right there on the lid.
Keep your eyes open.
I mean, I kind of feel the fumes getting into my eye.
That sounds like a person.
Wow.
And imagine if it was in that hot ass spot trying to do this shit. Alright, let me go grab some of them up there doing some of they want to.
Alright. What's up, world? So I don't know, you think I should keep up conversation with her even though she talking about $100 per video and she like, I don't know why we need a manager and stuff like that?
Well, I mean, for one, again, if she brought some shit up to you and she usually act like she too good, see where the convo go.
Okay.
Be like, well, look, how about that? Be honest with her. I ain't got $100 for you right now. But if you win, I got you once it bounce. You see how it's going. If you get the bitch lit even more, we gonna get it even more.
Gotcha.
But shit, just be buck with that bitch, man. My money in this video right now. My money in the studio, like.
Right.
My money ain't into the hoyo, like. So, you in with the team, you in with the team.
Right.
It's different.
So if you wanted to toss out there and get this off of my, so like all on my eyelash, she gonna want to blind me before I can even get the shot.
Hey, bro. Look, man, it's sacrifices of hard work. All them your tees, them all yours.
Oh, you said the what?
All them t-shirts, them shades, that's all yours.
Appreciate it.
No doubt, man. No doubt.
I'm gonna let you do your thing.
You ain't got no choice but to let her do her thing.
Oh no, I'm talking about you.
Oh.
I'm just like grabbing your ear right now.
Oh no, you straight. I ain't got no problem with that, bro. Ain't no issue with that at all on me. Like I said, cause right now I got a whole lot. So at this point, it's just capturing other little parts and pieces, so we can make the story make sense. Yes. But to be honest with you, the way I've been shooting it and covering it,
it's not like real story right now.
Oh no, cool story. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm almost tempted to tell you to only do so many minutes of it for the video, and then put like almost like a to be continued on the ass to get to the next song. But we can all, like I said, I got a lot of content. Okay. So that's why I'm trying to figure it out in my head, cause like I said, I'm just observing how all the people you competing against out on this market, they not doing that in 4 minutes or 5 minutes. Who calling you? Say you good?
Yeah, it was Raymond. We just kind of lost Raymond. He was at the other spot, and then he disappeared, and then it just I don't know what's going on with this guy.
What's his phone?
Okay, so his phone is, I guess not my phone still so stupid. 216-695-0048.
Hey, what's going on, boss? You on speakerphone?
Hey, Ramon. Hey, man.